Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, drone pilots, wherever you are, whenever you are. I'm going to show you how to change the direction of the motors, even though there's a bug in ArduPilot. Directions, as usual, are on the website. It's called Change Motor Direction. There's a bug in ArduPilot 4.6, so we need to downgrade to 4.5. First thing we do, plug in the drone, and I need the USB daughter board. Here, I'll borrow this one. What's your name? Aiden is the team captain. Okay. Yeah. So we're going to plug in the daughter board, get the drone connected. Actually, let's not do that. Bring your battery and plug it in first, because we're messing around with the motors. While Aiden gets the battery for his drone, I'm going to launch mission plan.
Yeah, they're off. You have to flip them. Oh, you're the one by 6. Oh, okay. So you're still using the flip.
其实说是分四次，我直接把它那4根线拧上一股，然后往这上面一搭，这样。
你也在翻。
那就把那个
Plug it in.
All right. I'm going to verify it.
Okay, so Aiden plugged in the.
或者你可以等这个开4个小口，直接开4个。
So the flight controller is plugged in. Let's confirm it. Device manager, ArduPilot COM16. So we go to COM16, 900,000 baud connect.
Mode change
Actually,
to
we don't
stabilize.
connect. So I lied. We're going to disconnect. We want to downgrade the firmware, so we go to firmware.ardupilot.org, Copter, and 457, and Maytech F405TE, ArduCopter.appj. There it is. So we need to flash that under install firmware. So we want to load custom firmware. That one, open. And check of mine, I don't want the battery. I think it'll work. No, it's not a solo. So now ArduPilot would flash that custom 4.5.7. Be patient.
There we go. Bye-bye, freedom. Bye-bye, freedom. Yeah, we'll do meeting.
Please unplug the board. Press OK. And plug back in. Thank you. Now it should flash it. And the red, blue light is blinking. It is unusual, so let's not flash it.
It's unusual for the blue light to work.
Yeah.
Now the green light is.
So it race.
I think so. So these two are counterclockwise.
Program.
It's opposite.
Oh, it's opposite?
It's opposite. So
Okay.
This one's in, that one's in.
Wait.
Done.
No. It's opposite.
This is the word that. This is the
I know.
Okay.
Oh, this one? Oh, okay. So counterclockwise.
So let's connect.
And then it goes in.
Mode change to stabilize.
This one goes out. Okay. So
And we'll get messages. And it says ArduPilot 4.5.7. So congratulations, you're downgraded. Now we can do the pass-through. So we need to disconnect from Mission Planner. And we need to go to esc-configurator. And select the serial port, which means Maytech. Connect. Read settings. So now it should be talking to the ESCs. Trying to read failed 1, failed 2, failed 3, failed 4. Try again.
放好了。没看在这不？还在这儿。哦。那怎么就结束了呢？
Failed. Oh, you have to plug in the motors to the right port, which you did. Oh, yeah, we need to power the battery. Yeah, plug the battery in. That was probably the problem. We might have to reboot everything.
Yeah, because I remember the power
Yeah, we have to, yeah. So the battery has to be plugged into the ESCs. So the ESCs go do. That means they booted. Yeah, okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So here they are in their full glory. Now you want to switch 1 from normal to reverse. You want to switch 2 from normal to reverse. All right?
Yes.
So I do that and I click right settings.
Could we do that and then do a motor check immediately after?
Yes.
Let's do that then.
So it says finish. Now let's just confirm, read it. Read it. So reverse, normal. Okay. So that's, now you've changed the settings on your ESCs. So disconnect.
We go back to.
And you want me to check the motors?
Yeah.
Yes, we can do. No problem.
Mode change to stabilize.
Probably better to check it now.
Yep. So let's go to.
So that's the ERS one. That's the video.
Okay, so test motor 1. That's that one. That should be
Bad compass
counterclockwise.
health. Armed. Disarmed.
Not spinning.
Armed. Disarmed.
They're both. I think throttle percentages too low.
That has really bad telemetry range. If you want good telemetry
Bad
range,
compass
I would
health.
suggest
Armed.
Did it work before?
Disarmed.
All right, let's try.
So this class of
Rebooting.
drone and this one, it has 10 milliwatts of
Drone. So unplug the battery.
back to the ground.
Unplug the battery.
10 milliwatts.
And then plug it back in.
But this one has
Same
200.
thing.
Or 100. Get this one. This one's
So we just rebooted the drone.
Yeah.
We did a hard power
This
cycle.
one also works,
And we just wait until everybody
but I
beeps.
think this
The
is
BB is done.
I only use it.
Okay, so that one will be the one. This one or
This one, yeah.
this
4, yeah. TDM. TD is true diversity, so it has 2 bands.
Okay, it seems like the BB is done. I'm going to plug the drone into the computer USB.
So okay, flight controller,
Connect.
ESCs,
Mode change to stabilize.
receiver, the GPS and compass.
Bad compass health.
So is that counterclockwise?
Well, the camera.
Disarmed. Armed. Disarmed.
Is that clockwise?
And well, the plane
Armed.
itself.
Yeah, that's clockwise.
So that's wrong.
Disarmed.
Yeah, so
Better,
it's just
better. So
Armed.
I mean, we kind of want to get
Disarmed.
That should be clockwise.
Armed.
I don't know how much it is.
Disarmed.
I don't know how much it is.
Armed.
That one should be counterclockwise.
Bad compass health. Disarmed. Armed. Disarmed.
That's clockwise.
Armed.
And that one should be
Disarmed.
clockwise.
Like if I get
Okay,
a
so
So all 4 are wrong.
Yes.
Disarmed.
Okay, that's
You
easy.
reversed the wrong pair.
That's easy to
5,000
fix.
is good, because everyone uses
Since we're still in this.
Apparently.
But we learned that you should reboot after you do major changes.
Oh, okay.
Very
Yeah, it's kind of flaky.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, I'll just
like concerningly flaky or
It's
that's
fine.
Non-concerningly flaky. So it read all 4. So we'll make that one normal,
Except the connector.
that one normal, and we'll make the other 2 reverse.
yes.
Anything
I think that's all.
and write those settings.
Where will I position the Raspberry?
You can put it anywhere. Here on top.
Updating finish. Okay, now let's read them to make sure. Trying to read. Red 1, red 2, red 3, red 4 done reading. So this normal, reverse. Is that good? I'll disconnect that. And we learned our lesson before. Let's do a hard power cycle.
Since our controller will be here.
So will we still need to be on version 4.57 to do the music on the
No. Oh, yes.
Oh, okay. So not even
You don't get a PB. 很重要的发现点是像
So I can leave you on 457 if you want.
I mean, yeah, that's fine.
Features is 4.6.
I don't know.
If you don't know that, it can't be that.
Well, but
I don't think it could.
I think ultimately it should go back to 462 because I ran through everything right before this fall on those particular firmware versions, and that's the parameter file I have. So I would advise you to stick with that. It probably doesn't matter. But sometimes when ArduPilot upgrades the parameter file,
Oh no, I'm on trust.
interpretation changes. They have new parameters, they reinterpret old ones. And I haven't had time to read through the documentation. And I don't want to. So just everybody do the same way and it'll work. Okay. So we are testing the motors to make sure they work. Oops. That wire. Okay.
I don't think it's connected to the correct.
Oops.
That's the ESP.
And
Mode change to stabilize.
okay, you ready for the test? That
Bad
should be
compass held.
counterclockwise.
Armed.
Yeah, that looks counterclockwise.
Disarmed.
That should be clockwise.
Armed.
Yep.
Disarmed.
That should be counterclockwise.
Armed.
That should be clockwise.
Bad compass held.
Yep.
Disarmed.
Now I'm going to
Go back
upgrade you
to-
back.
Yeah.
So you can go here. Are you sure? Yes. And we don't want the BD shot because we don't have that. So upload it. So it has to go to the internet and get it.
Okay.
And
Are these ESCs not running D-Shot?
they're running D shot, but not bidirectional D shot.
That's BD shot. Got it. Okay.
So because they're 8-bit, and 8-bit doesn't support bidirectional.
Makes sense.
I don't know.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna leave this plugged in until it stops.
we'll know if it went wrong because sometimes it wants you to unpower it, but actually, yeah, if it tells us to unplug this, we're gonna unplug the battery. It looks like it's okay.
No, you'll see the benefit of using the stack because how are you going to fit it?
So it says upload done. Let me delete this whole
Even
thing
the
here.
capacitor has a state.
Mode change to stabilize.
So there you are, 462, and that's how you switch the directions on the motor, even though there's a bug in 462. Have fun flying.